Hi there. Today I'm gonna discuss some topic about the ventilation system on the Balao submarine. What we have? Usually, every compartment contains of the two pipes, which calls exhaust pipe and supply pipe for ventilation. Supply pipe also goes through the cooling air conditioning, and you can regulate the temperature inside the compartment. Exhaust pipe goes directed to the exhaust fan and somehow goes outboard or maybe rectify or something. I'm not sure how it works exactly. About ventilation system, I added um, some I don't know how it called some items on the status scene which indicates the position of the air conditioning valve. This valve you can close it, yes, and you can see that they are also closed. Um, um, Usually we need to close it when maybe in case of some dangerous situation or gases or I don't know. These levers are mechanically operated, not hydraulic. So if the pressure inside and outside more than 2 psi, you can't open it, but you can close it because if you start closing, the pressure will push the surface of the levers of the surface working surface and close it yeah but just by difference of pressure. um, for now I want to demonstrate how we can change the pressure inside the compartment. For example, we have 14 psi inside forward torpedo room and 14 17 psi inside officer quarter. This psi, it's absolute psi, not gauge psi. So in future I will change it to 0, but not now because I need to know exact pressure. And also I can check the pressure here. Yes, it should be the same. And let me check. In outer officer quarter 14, in the for, for torpedo room 14. It's okay, it's okay. So first of all I can't add some pressure because I closed the exhaust and supply valve. I can close I can open this lever to add some additional pressure inside the officer room. Yeah, it increases. I can add some more. 5 multiply CFM by 5, 14. I think 16 is enough because 60 still can open, still can open. 16. 16, yes, and 14. Yeah, I need to add some more. Just, yeah, okay. I have the lock on the door. Yeah, I can't open. I try to click, but I can't open it because the pressure outside is much more when I can pull this hatch. And also I can't open this. I try, but nothing happened. I can see this pressure here is 14, here is 16. Yeah, difference more than 2 psi. So, and but I can check the ES lever. It goes to escape trunk and I can open it, but I can't open the outer hatch because it's also the difference between pressure outside much more than inside because sea pressure is now 54 because we are at the depth of 100 feet or less. So how we can deal with that? Um, I I have to equalize pressure by adding some additional pressure inside for a torpedo room with this lever. This lever it goes from 600 psi. I can see that pressure inside slowly increases. Oh, and I can open it. hmm And also, if I have some pressure 14, 16, yeah, I have still, but you can see a difference, yeah, 16 and 14, but I can equalize by that, and now, yeah, it equalizes. It decreases, it increases slowly, yeah, it works. Or open this hatch, this hatch will also equalize the pressure much more faster. Yeah, 15, 16, yeah, much more faster. It's not so fast because for just for simulation, I wanna see how it exact happening in a time. So maybe in real life it will be much more faster. But for this, uh, I'm not intend to um, to speed up or something. Yeah, but because I wanna see how it flows. Yeah. Let's just imagine that this valve is not so efficient, yeah, and have less propulsion, not propulsion, but less size of area, yeah, which can pass through air or something. The point is we have to see the exact value, and it should be we should understand what happened, yeah. Of course, it can be faster, it can be slower. It's a matter of trade-off between playability and simulation, and it of course it configurable. Yeah. So that's it about ventilation. Thank you for watching.